Job. Whenever we hear this word, we think that our dreams can be fulfilled, we can buy materialistic things, etc. But I think most of us don't think how we can improve more ourselves doing job. So, in this pandemic, it's not that easy to get your dream job, but if you follow my steps, there can be a chances to get your job. So, walk with me till the end of the discussion. So, let's discuss. I see around my people asking how to get job. I have categorized people in three different ways. The first people, they tell us, I don't have a job, what to do. The second kind of people, I have, but I have a salary cuts and risks. And the third kind of people say, I don't have any problem at all. The first category people are most of youngsters. So, first thing, figure out what kind of job you guys want to do. It may be a medical, it may be IT, it may be artistic, it may be a business, etc. Whatever it is. So, go through the websites of your field known companies and check out how they are working. Analyze how they have performed in the last 2 years and how they are doing this year. So you'll get a rough idea how your organizations will work. Accordingly you can plan. For this, there are many tools. One which is the best is a Google speed test, through which you can get ratings upon how your company or organization status right now. If your organization rating is above 80%, then no need to worry. They are in a safe zone. They can call you for recruitments. If your organization rating falls below 60%, then it is in a risk and there are less chances that you can focus on intakes. So nothing to worry. If your company is human resource based mostly, they will take intake little late this year. So second thing, to reskill yourself by going through job description and updating your resume. Most of us are very smart in preparing very well at what company don't require than what it is looking for. So yes, no need to panic, prepare a good updated resume. Second kind of a category is I don't have a job, I have a job but with salary cuts and risks. So I think most of the people in this category aged around 30 plus to below 50, as taking care of the family's responsibilities in this one. So now you have a job in your hands. That's comparatively very great, right? Yes, I agree you can go through hard times, but only thing you must concentrate on is to prove that you add more and more values to your organization than you take from it. Add more significant, more values to the business than what business is paying for you. That will take you to the toppest level. Secondly, prepare an emergency corpus plan at least for 6 months. So, how to plan this? In this, include savings for medical expenses, travel expenses and food. Avoid unnecessary spending at least 6 months. So one biggest positivity you can see in this lockdown is you have a travel cuttings, as most of the people are working from home, outings and entertainment cuttings, and be cautious about health. So if not too much, at least you can save a small amount that helps you in something. So most of the people who are taking care of the family and old ones have to go through some hard times in this pandemic. But everything will sort out soon. There is a saying that the beautiful view comes from a hardest point. So remember, it's not even in this company's interest to spend a huge amount of money and time to conduct hiring process. So most of people ask me that what if the company kicks me out? So no need to worry. If you're working for the biggest MNC, no one is fooled to conduct again hiring process for the same job description, right? So be calm and safe. One important tip I want to give you guys, if you're working for an MNC, is if your organization has started before 2008 or somewhere around that, definitely there will be a no plan. There will be a plan called crisis reduction plan that business analyst will take care of. Because as your company has started before 2008, they come across a crisis called financial crisis of 2008. By that, I think they have already learned how to overcome these crises or problems before. So I think you are in a safe zone if you're working for an MNC which is started 2008 and before. So, the third category of people, I don't have a less problems or I don't have a problem at all. The very good that you are somewhat safe, but safety will not be taken as granted, isn't it? So if you guys don't work too much to make others safe, then you will not be in a safe zone. So if you are a clean zone, come out and help people who are needy in terms of guidance. It may be in terms of medic, if you're offering some food, I don't know what you do, but just help others. Because in this natural crisis, humanity must stand above all. So if you're doing 1% of hard work to save others, if the same kind of work if done by 100 people, that will give 100% of hard work to upright everyone. So don't go behind your paychecks, just come out of your home and a clean zone to help others. This is an compound effect, what we call. So everyone, no need to have a knee-jerk reactions. Reskill yourself, update yourself to the next level of challenges that will help you to get your dream job. So guys, in this pandemic, we all should work together to upright our organizations, in turn, which leads to our successes. So take up the challenges from today, work hard to upright your organizations, so build a more and more value and work for everything that you want. Be healthy and be safe. Thank you.